Have you ever wondered how ice cream is made, or how a simple mixture of cream and sugar can turn into a delightfully cold and creamy treat? This process, my friends, is a wonderful fusion of science and culinary art, transforming simple ingredients into something magical. It's more than just mixing and freezing. It's a journey of transformation, a dance of elements, a symphony of tastes. Today, we will unravel the mystery behind making homemade vanilla ice cream. Get ready to plunge into the chilling and exciting world of ice cream making. Before we begin, let's gather our ingredients. The foundation of any good ice cream lies in its ingredients. We'll need cream, sugar, milk, a dash of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Now, each of these ingredients plays a unique role in our ice cream symphony. Cream, as you may have guessed, is the key to our ice cream's rich and velvety texture. Sugar, on the other hand, does more than just sweeten the deal. It also lowers the freezing point of our mix, preventing it from turning into a solid block of ice. Quite a clever little trick, isn't it? Then there's milk, which balances the heavy cream and adds its own subtle flavor. The vanilla extract gives our ice cream that classic, irresistible aroma. And finally, a pinch of salt enhances all these flavors, making the ice cream even more delicious. Now that we have our ingredients ready, it's time to move to the next step, mixing. The secret to a smooth ice cream lies in the perfect blend of its ingredients. Now let's delve into the stirring symphony that is the mixing process. This stage is where our ingredients come together, harmonizing to create an unbroken melody of flavor. Picture a conductor leading an orchestra. The whisk is our conductor, guiding our ingredients into a harmonious blend. The rhythm of the whisk has a purpose. It introduces air into the mix, making our ice cream light and creamy. Remember, timing is everything. It's at this moment that we add our vanilla extract, the soloist in our symphony. The extract infuses its rich, warm notes into the mix, ensuring the vanilla flavor is evenly distributed and deeply embedded. This stirring symphony isn't just about blending, it's about creating a balance of flavors, a harmony of textures. With our mix ready, we now proceed to the chilling stage. The transformation of our mix into ice cream happens in the chilling stage. Here, our sweet symphony of flavors is transported into the frosty realm of the refrigerator. The cold starts to work its magic, slowly transforming our liquid concoction into a semi-solid state. However, our journey doesn't end here. Enter the ice cream maker. This wondrous machine churns our mix, a process akin to whisking egg whites. The churning incorporates air into the mix, introducing millions of tiny bubbles. This is what gives the ice cream its light and creamy texture. The science behind it is fascinating. As the mix cools, the fat molecules begin to stick together, trapping air bubbles within. Simultaneously, the sugars and proteins form a syrupy solution that prevents the mix from freezing solid. So through a dance of cold and movement, we've transformed our mix into something that resembles ice cream. Our ice cream has now taken shape, but we're not done yet. The final step awaits. We are now at the final stage of our ice cream making journey, freezing. After the stirring symphony and the chilling stage, we move on to a silent ballet of sorts, where the temperature does all the dancing. The churned ice cream mix is transferred into a container, a final resting place before it transitions into the scrumptious treat we all love. The importance of this step cannot be overstated. It's here that the ice cream firms up, turning from a semi-liquid state to a solid one. Moreover, freezing plays a crucial role in enhancing the flavors of the ice cream. How, you may ask? Well, it's quite simple, really. As the mixture freezes, the water content within it forms tiny ice crystals. The smaller these crystals, the smoother the texture of the ice cream. This smoothness allows the lovely vanilla flavor to spread evenly on your taste buds, ensuring a delightful experience with every bite. But remember, patience is the key here. Rushing the freezing process can lead to larger ice crystals and a grainy texture. So let nature take its course and allow the ice cream to freeze slowly and steadily. And voila! You have now made your very own homemade vanilla ice cream. So the next time you enjoy a scoop of ice cream, you'll know the fascinating process that goes into making it.